Look, Thomas, look.
A digger!
Where are you going? Oh, I thought you were going
Open this stairs.
Daddy bought Thomas a digger shirt. Okay. What's this one?
I don't know.
I don't know. Open it.
And
2.5. What is it, Thomas? What is it?
pants.
New pants?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Awesome.
Pants.
They're shorts, Bubba.
Oh, they're shorts? Hang on.
How about this big
How about this big one? What's this big one, Thomas?
I don't know.
I don't know. What could it be? What is it?
I don't know.
Looks like a bucket and spade.
How come Thomas gets 2 buckets and spades?
Lots of sandy toys. Hmm.
Oh, a bucket and face in one.
Fantastic.
Say thank you.
Thank you, Daddy.
Oh,
Hey,
good boy.
Daddy.
Thanks, man. Should I move your truck?
Yeah.
I'll put your truck over here. Oh,
What's about this one? Can you
Oh, yeah.
throw that to me? Big one.
Alright.
Don't put it in the trash. What is that?
I don't know.
What is it, Thomas?
I don't know.
Is your birthday fun? How can you be 2.5 and a...
Is that mine?
I don't know.
There you go.
What is it, Thomas? Don't know.
That looks like
It's a
a
rocket ship.
rocket.
See, look.
Goes up in the sky.
You step on it and it shoots way up.
Maybe not that high, because sometimes... What is what?
Another one? Do you want a smaller one first or do you want a big one?
A big one.
Okay.
Big one. Oh, come on.
All right.
I can't do